This video is going to guide you through business domain and hosting setup. The tasks in this video include purchasing a domain name, signing up for a cPanel hosting account, setting your name servers so that your domain resolves properly, filling out the business infrastructure info sheet so you have important information for future reference, and finally verifying that your domain is resolving properly. The first thing you need to do is head over to GoDaddy, and you want to purchase a domain name, a name that as closely matches your business name as possible, and it should be a .com. So as you can see here, I've chosen securedpropertyinvestments.com. I'm going to purchase this domain now, and once I do, I'm going to come back and we're going to continue. Now that you've purchased your business's domain name, you want to head over to hostgator.com and you want to order or sign up for a cPanel hosting account. To do this, you go to their homepage, you click on web hosting, and you have three different choices here. The hatchling plan is not going to suffice for what you want to do. What you should do is choose the baby plan. So you click on order now, and then right here, register a new domain name. You don't need to do that. You're going to use the domain that you just purchased. So what you want to do is enter that into here. And I'm going to copy the domain that I purchased, and I'm going to enter it into here, and I'm going to click on continue. And I'm going to do a baby, and I'm going to pay 1 month at a time. Then they're going to ask to choose a username and password, and then they're going to ask for your billing information. So I'm going to pause that. I'm going to get this order completed, and once I do that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, I've finished purchasing the cPanel hosting for the business account, and I received the following email right here from HostGator. And this email contains information that you're going to need to save into that business infrastructure info sheet. But right now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to change the name servers for your business domain, and you're going to do this in your GoDaddy domain manager. So as you can see right here, there's NS1 and NS2. These are the name servers, and you're going to need to change the name servers for your domain to reflect these name servers. So to do that, I'm actually going to copy the first one, because I know the second one only differs by one number and 8 right here. I'm going to go over to GoDaddy, and I'm going to go to the domain manager, which is right here. I'm going to click this, and alright, so I'm in my domain manager right now, and you can see there's a bunch of domains in here. What I want to do is click on my business domain that I just purchased. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I've clicked on it, and this is the domain manager for securedpropertyinvestments.com. And as you can see right here, there is an option. Let me move this over. It's called name servers. So what you want to do is click on set name servers. Okay, and choose the I have specific name servers for my domains radio button. And you just want to paste your information into here. And I need to change the 7 to an 8. Click OK. And you'll have to click OK one additional time. And now your name servers are updated. And what you can do, this may take a few minutes, but if you click go, it's just going to refresh this page. And eventually, as you can see right here, it says there are no name servers on file. And eventually, after refreshing it a few times, you'll see the updated name servers there. So I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to come back and show you once the name servers have been updated. Okay, the name servers have been updated, and just hit that again to refresh it. As you can see, here are the proper name servers. So your next step is to actually fill out the pertinent information for the business infrastructure info sheet. So I'm going to pull that up right now and kind of go through things and explain it. Just give me a moment. Okay, here's the business infrastructure info sheet. My recommendation is to actually change the name of this and change it to the actual name of your business. So in my case, it's Secured Property Investments. It's Secured Property Investments. Okay, and now in this particular video, you've gone through the domain and hosting portion. So what you want to do is fill all of this out. You have your GoDaddy username and password, your business domain, which that is not it. It's Secured Property Investments.com. Anyways, you do get the idea here. So fill that out. In all of the subsequent steps following this one, you're going to complete the info sheet, and then eventually you're going to upload it to your Google Docs account, and it's going to be there for future reference if you ever need it. The next step after you do this is to verify that your domain is resolving. When you change these name servers, that's basically saying when somebody types in your domain name, it's going to tell them where to go, and then it's going to redirect them there, and then they're going to see your website. So I'm going to pause it again, and I'm going to come back once the domain is resolving to show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, I've waited a few minutes, and now I'm going to punch in the domain name, and as you can see, it's resolving properly. In the address bar up here, you can see securedpropertyinvestments.com, and this is the page. Now, before I close this video, I actually want to tell you a little bit about how you can get into your cPanel. Once your site's set up, you're not going to see this page. You're actually going to see your home page. So going back to the business structure info sheet, your cPanel URL is actually going to be your domain name followed by control panel. And if I type in the address bar up here, control panel, alright, so this is where you're going to enter your username and password that you created when you signed up for your HostGator hosting account. With that said, that is the end of this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, I will talk to you in the next video where I'm going to guide you through how to set up a Google Apps account. Bye for now, and I will talk to you soon.